Something heartwarming happened the moment this poor dog hopped on the bus. Most passengers didn't want him there and started shoving him off. The driver saw exactly how they treated the helpless pup and decided to teach them a lesson. He faked a breakdown, told everyone the bus was done for, and made them get off. But first, if you think this puppy is adorable, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now look at this poor little puppy. He's freezing and hungry, yet no one stops to help because people just walk past him. If you have a kind heart, please like, subscribe, and drop a heart in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so this kitten can finally get the help it needs. As soon as the crowd stepped out, he opened the door and brought the dog back inside. Turns out, all he wanted was to give the little guy a ride, watching the driver drive off with the dog by his side. So tell me, did the driver do the right thing?